And welcome back to another Flying Jelly Bean episode.
So we're going to be making an Oreo dip, but we're just using these mini Oreos. You can also use regular Oreos.
Okay, so the first step you're going to do is cut the insides of the Oreo out using a knife. You probably didn't need to, but whatever.
Just open them up and scrape that inside out into a bowl.
Your mom is right, it's making nothing.
Here, this is how you write Papa. Can you be quiet so I can talk to you?
Okay, so now once you have that, you heat it up.
So we're going to heat it out. We're going to start off with just 25 seconds.
10.
Alright, so start off with about 10 seconds. And with the rest, you might want to put this onto a mini plate. Like a little plate like this, not too big. Just put them on a little plate like that. Now, if 10 seconds doesn't get it gooey enough, you can use more seconds to make, and then mix it up. You want to mix it up.
Good, and then one more thing.
So it should look somewhat like this, just like a little mixture.
Now, you just get a cookie
Mm-hmm.
and dip it in
Well, let's see if
and eat it.
How does it taste?
Tastes great.
Delicious.
Mm-hmm.
So bye.
Bye.